The First Lady of Naija, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, don't give agricultural support materials to women wey dey all the 18 local government areas of Edo State. The support materials wey dey share na one-day-old chicks, better quality seedlings, farm tools and many more. The event shele for New Festival Hall Government House, Benin City, where Edo State First Lady Office Coordinator Edesili Anani Okpegolo come tok say the initiative na to empower women with sustainable farming practices. According to Madam Edesili, this program fall under the Renewed Hope Agricultural Support Program of the federal government and say the aim na to boost food security, support economic inclusion and empower vulnerable people, especially women. She constantly add say dem give seeds, fertilizer, tools and cash grants to beneficiaries and say dem wan encourage every house to get small garden wey go help for food supply, better nutrition and reduce hunger. She come also announce say the best gardens go win prizes wey be first prize 1 million naira, second prize 500,000 naira and third prize 300,000 naira. She come yarn say the program go also train and support women in farming, especially pikins dem and youth dem, to encourage agriculture and build jobs through agricultural entrepreneurship.
Farming, as I've always said, is the new liquid gold. Because you cannot be a farmer and be hungry. People must eat, and you must sell as a farmer. This initiative is part of the broader national agenda to strengthen the agricultural sector, promote food security, and empower our citizens. The Renewed Hope Initiative is an initiative of Her Excellency, the First Lady, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi CON Tinubu, aimed at improving the lives of families across Nigeria. The Executive Governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monde Okpebolo, has made significant contributions to the agricultural sector as well. His Excellency has put all the necessary mechanisms in place to ensure Edo State is an agricultural hub for food in production and sufficiency. Today, we will be empowering in agriculture, youths in agriculture, women in agriculture, young farmers club, and every home a garden. The Renewed Hope Initiative Women in Agricultural Program aims to empower women through sustainable agricultural practices. It provides support, training, and resources to women in agriculture, focusing on economic inclusion and food security. The initiative provides agricultural inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, and tools, as well as cash grants to all the beneficiaries here today. The young farmers the young youth in agriculture. The scheme is to empower youth with skills, knowledge, and opportunities to become successful entrepreneurs in agriculture and agribusiness, ensure a brighter future for all youths in Edo State. For the Young Farmers Club, we call them Catching Them Young. And I want to tell the young farmers that today, if you invest your time in agriculture, tomorrow you'll become a multi-millionaire. The club aims to introduce children to farming, providing them with opportunities to learn about agriculture, develop practical skills, as well as the love for food and agriculture as well. The essence is to promote food security, build a pipeline of young farmers, and foster an apprenticeship for agriculture amongst the young children. For the Every Home a Garden, which I call my own personal project as well, and I have said earlier, from the garden to the table, is an initiative focused on boosting food production by every household to cultivate a garden. It aims to reduce food scarcity, improve nutrition, and promote self-reliance. Every Home a Garden encourages families to cultivate small gardens in your homes, in your environment. As the Commissioner of Health actually said earlier, that even in hospital places, we will encourage women to, okay, it was CMD's idea. Okay. We will encourage everybody to have a garden in any space you have and you find yourself. The Every Home a Garden encourages families to cultivate small gardens, promoting household food security, and ensuring that we eat healthy. At the end of today, we will be giving out seeds to women here, and then it becomes a competition. For every woman that will get seeds from us to plant, you will snap when you're planting, with the date you planted. In 3 months' time, or when you harvest, you send us another picture, and then we will compare with other women. As earlier said, the woman with the best garden goes home with 1 million naira. The second woman goes home with 500,000, and the third would go home with 300,000. The catch is that we may actually even increase the money when we see how committed women are. These segments, we aim to enhance security and reduce poverty, empower women, youth, and children in agriculture, promote sustainable agricultural practices, increase agricultural productivity and efficiency, support entrepreneurship and job creation in agriculture. Together, we can transform our agricultural sector, improve livelihoods, and build a brighter future for our citizens.
Special Advisor on Agric and Food Security Ugbodu Godin praised Governor Monday Okpegolo's administration for serious investment for agriculture. Ekom also mentioned said the government don't buy tractors, develop over 200 acres of farmland, provide fertilizer, support women cooperatives and school farms, and also promise say more land go still show for farming.
As a government, we are currently planning on how to promote sustainable agriculture that will lead to food security and economic growth. To this end, we have procured tractors and developed over 200 hectares of maize farm and distributed fertilizers to local farmers. And moreover, we are working on setting up of governance structure that will ensure and procure agricultural machines. The procured agricultural machines are properly maintained and sustained. As soon as this process is completed, these tractors will be sent to support farmers across the state. This tractor will be supporting large farms and small farms. So women cooperatives, youth cooperatives, schools, and everywhere these tractors will be needed. Moreover, government is also working on plans to provide hectares of land to farmer cooperatives, deploy bulldozers and tractors to prepare the land, and also provide seeds, stems, and fertilizers to grow crops. Tractors will be deployed for harvesting and off-takers will be provided to buy directly from farmers. Edo farmers, particularly our women and youth, will be economically empowered, and food security in the state will be guaranteed.
Chairman All Farmers Association of Naija, AFAM Edo Chapter, Alhaji Banko Dongo, hail the new administration, say them carry Agric for head, unlike the Obaseki government wey say neglect farming for 8 years. E come here and say now farmers they happy, tractors they ground, activities they go on, and say Edo done ready for food production again.
I have passion for farming. I don't have any other work because whenever this poultry, and let me also let you know, when you train chicken, you know the poultry is very smelly. Are you aware? But you know that poultry cure fever. Anybody that is dealing of poultry is having sick of fever. Go and find out. We have taken a statistic because that thing you hear have a way of curing fever. And first, ladies, sir, we are happy that we are part of this system, by the grace of God, you will continue to excel. You will continue to excel. You are coming to your state. I know you are from this state, SA. You are going to excel. You have listened to the bad one. The very soon you start hearing the good one's voice. Ladies and gentlemen, long live Edo State, long live all farmers, long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Everybody here you see here are all farmers. Farming today is not when you have a big land. You can be planting things in your house if you do well.
Permanent Secretary for Agric and Food Security, Oga Osayande Sunday, also thanked the governor for making farming attractive for Edo people.
We are not just gathered here to mark an event, but to mark a moment. The Renewed Hope Initiative, a vision rooted in compassion and powered by action. A vision that believes in the strength of our people, that seeks to rewrite the story of our nation through the empowerment of those who matter most. That is, our women, our youth, our children, through agriculture. Food is not just a basic need. It is a foundation for peace, dignity, and independence. A food-secured Nigeria is a stronger Nigeria. Through this initiative, we must empower women, youth, and our children as frontliners in our agricultural value chains. They must be equipped with knowledge, modern tools, access to land, and technology. Because when you invest in women and youth, you invest in a generation. Our women and youth have always been the heart of our homes and communities. They are creative, driven, determined, and talented in their skills. The government of Edo State has made agriculture and economic participation attractive to them, not as a last resort, but as a future of innovative and enterprise through this initiative that provides and equips women farmers with modern tools, inputs, support women-led businesses with funding and skills. As you may be aware, the Edo State government, under the leadership of Governor Monday Okpewolo, has taken up the initiative to support large-scale farming through the Back to Farm initiative, provision of mechanized farming equipment, that is tractors and implements, land-intensive farming framework, a policy framework responsible for creating an enabling environment for investors. Your Excellency, we are inspired by your vision, not just a mother, a champion for women, and voice for the vulnerable. This initiative reminds us that food security is not a luxury, it is a human right. May the seeds of renewed hope we plant today bring forth a harvest of peace, prosperity, and pride to our state.
Highlights of the events are lectures from experts on poultry, vegetable farming, fishery, and agri careers to guide youths, women, and stakeholders.
How beautiful will it be when I harvest okra at my backyard and prepare it and use amala, with it. It will go well. So I encourage every one of us to utilize the space that we have available to us.
Every home a garden. This campaign is not about planting seeds in soil. It is about planting seeds of sustainability, health, and dignity in the heart of our people. It is about restoring the age-old wisdom of using the land around us to nourish our families, improve our health, and protect our environment. As Commissioner of Health, I am deeply aligned with this initiative because it touches the very foundation of preventing healthcare. Food is not just sustenance, it is medicine. A functional garden in every home, school, and health facility means improved access to fresh, nutritious food, better child growth and development, enhanced management of non-communicable diseases, reduced food costs for families, and above all, a healthier, more self-reliant population.
This has been our dream in all farmers associations, that whatever it is
that government is doing should get to what the grassroots. And we can see it happening in Governor Kwewolo's time.
To be able to feed ourselves, it starts from you and I. And when we join hands together, it will become something that will grow, and we'll have money in our pockets, and we'll have food in our stomach.
Finally, 31 students from Young Farmers Club also collect farming tools to start school garden competition. Best school go win cash prize and government go buy their farm produce. Some beneficiaries come chook mouth on top how them see the initiative and come to raise salute to Edo State government.
They say yes, he knows us to do good for. I thank God for Okpeuru and long life and prosperity and his family and first lady. I pray for him. We will support her till that 8 years go complete in the name of Jesus Christ. Now my compound, I get 100 by 100. I bring 50. The remaining 50. Even if you read there now, I even knew clear before this trade that day. I want burner to put a cassava. I get vegetable there, pepper, water leaf, scent leaf, curry leaf, all for my compound there. I'm happy. They give me this thing, so they give me power. It's cassava, fertilizer. Now this is to clear, and this is to pump. Yes. Yes, so until they carry something.
So I'm happy for what the gift is gave to me. It's chicken, so I should go and train it. So when I finish for the chicken, then I will come to show him and do him all the chickens.
I am one of the beneficiaries of the agricultural products, and today I was handed a carton of day-old chicken, feeder and drinkers for rearing them.
With this kind of support from Naija First Lady and Edo State government, women, youths and pikins dem wey dey enter farming go get better tools, training and encouragement to boost food supply, create jobs and grow the future of agriculture for Edo and Naija as a whole. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ujeseli, TMC News.